How to purchase travel insurance on Rex Airlines. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can purchase travel insurance on Rex Airlines. On most websites, purchasing travel insurance is included while booking your flight, and Rex Airline is no exception. So one major way of how you can purchase travel insurance is to log in into your Rex Airlines and then book a flight. So it's having your location, destination, select your travel dates, very essential. Then select number of passengers. If you will be traveling with an infant or a child, include it. Then click on book now. And then we take it to a page where you'll be asked to select your flight and all. Once you've done that, while booking, ensure you pay attention really carefully on this stage. Most likely, when you're on the add extras page, you will see the option for you to get a travel insurance. So select that and you'll see the amounts that you have to pay to go, and the amount to be added to the total amount of your flight. And once you are done with the add extras and you're on the payment page, you'll be asked to make payments for your flight and the travel insurance as well. So that is the major way. And another thing also is that Rex Airlines partners with Chubb Insurance Australia Limited to offer travel insurance. This policy covers various unseen events such as trip cancellation, trip delay, personal baggage loss, etc. So you can just contact Chubb Insurance Australia for more information and to get information on how you can purchase the travel insurance separately apart from when you are booking the flight. All right. So I hope that is clear. Thank you for watching and have a good day.